Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I went to the market and everything was fresh and nice, so take a look and enjoy. The fresh fruits and vegetable, guys. Enjoy. Look at yellow yam, guys. Long time I haven't had this. Look at it, it's looking so good and nice. I can't get over, guys, our orange is $1,000 a dozen, but guys, it's the best. We also received taste of fresh melon, compliment of the season, she said. Thank you. Guys, just look at that melon. Oh, beautiful it is. It tasted really good also, fresh from the market.
Yummy. Almost done.
Yes.
Fresh tangerine. Oh, no, some of them there.
Fresh tangerine with the leaves on them. Leaf. Show them the leaves
Fresh
on them.
off of the tree.
Yes, fresh off the tree. Country life is the best life.
I'm telling you, fresh.
Life is the best life. Alright, and we have
Nice sweet fresh
papaya.
papaya.
Yes, I want a pound of this. Yes. That's my And then fruit. the bill, guys. Wow. Unbelievable, but it's worth it. When next year in Morant Bay, guys, go to the market, stop at this stall. Everything is there. Everything. Alright? Turmeric, guys, very useful. So remember to grab some when you go to the market or the supermarket. Okay, guys? And there you have it, guys, all done and packed away. Guys, I've been shopping with this lady from ever since. She's the best. Guys, thank you for shopping with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.